Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make another of my favorite dishes, tonkatsu. It's similar to schnitzel, basically a breaded and fried pork cutlet. It's super fast and easy to make with no measurements at all. To start, we're going to take some pork loin or tenderloin, though similar dishes can be made with chicken or beef, and pound them thin, about 1 to 1.5 centimeters thick. If you put plastic wrap over the top, it keeps debris from flying everywhere. If you don't have a meat mallet, you can use a rolling pin or a frying pan, or basically anything heavy and flat. Next, we're going to season with salt and pepper. Then, we're going to dredge the pounded cutlets to make our crispy coating, starting first with white flour. Next, into beaten egg. Make sure at each step to cover the cutlets completely. There shouldn't be any visible flour now. Finally, into panko. I find that pushing the panko onto the cutlet first helps keep things neat. Then, transfer to a pan while you prepare the rest. Now it's only a matter of frying them in vegetable or canola oil. Start with a few millimeters of oil in a frying pan with the stove set to medium. When the oil starts shimmering, gently lay the cutlets in the pan. As they fry, you'll want to flip them occasionally and swirl the oil. Because the cutlets are thin, you don't need a lot of oil, but you need enough to come up to the sides of the cutlets. When they reach a deep golden brown, we're going to pull them off onto paper towels. This helps wick away any excess oil. You're going to want to season them right away so that the salt can stick to the oil. Tonkatsu is normally served with a Japanese Worcester-based sauce. I'm using store-bought, but I like to enhance it a bit with some freshly ground sesame seeds. Finally, when you're ready to serve, slice the cutlets into bite-sized pieces and cover with the sauce. Tonkatsu is served in many ways, but often with rice and a simple cabbage salad. It can also be used as part of a rice bowl or donburi, or with Japanese curry. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.